If you otherwise sell it to dunya, okay, I've been running after dunya, making money and things. Okay, I've become billionaire, the richest person of the world. And I have sold myself in actual fact to dunya. But after 100 years, where will the wealth, where will I be? So what I have done? I've done a very bad, very lossful transaction. If I've sold myself to women, they won't last, I won't last. If I sold myself to politics, they are also temporary. The world is also temporary. So be wise. You are so wise, you say, you look 10 times on a shop to buy shoes, oh, how much is it worth or not? And so on. Or you buy something else, even people buy milk, they look at, oh, which market has cheaper. When you have this type of mind, and when it comes to the most precious thing, you just throw it in front of shaitan. You buy a phone, you check, people buy phones, other things, that's just good. Cars, they 10 times check on internet, comparing the prices, compare, they want to go, oh yes, I want this thing. You compare this, the market have actually, you may say cheaper, that country has cheaper. When this mindset is already in you, that you do not like to be defrauded or deceived, you want a good bargain, you want something good, you want to give and get at least equals, something worthwhile. But what happens when the time comes, you sell your soul to the devil, you sell your soul to the dunya, to the women, and that's separate sins, and you sell your soul to the drugs and evil people or some other person who don't have actually value themselves. So that's what Sayyidina Ali radiallahu anhu says, that think actually deeply.